at home. Slow down, will you be quiet?
See this guys, fine 3. It's like I'm in Baguio. Yeah, it's nice. This is park. Ah, yeah, I think I remember this is like park. You can go here for shopping. Yeah, I know. So now we're here to check the dining table. Oh, okay. I only want 4-seaters, I think. 4-seaters. Go white.
Θα το κοιτάξω λίγο. Ναι, στο περίπου. Ναι, εκεί περίπου.
You check already the price?
Yes.
So let's say for this is how much for the set? 300 something. And then how about the glass there? It's more expensive. The cheapest is 300 something. 300, around 350. 350 for this? Is around. Oh, okay. 300. They only have one set for the wood. That's all. And then this one. This one? Oh, okay. You don't like white.
Δεν γίνεται να αρέσουν και όλες. Είπαμε, εντάξει, και εγώ μου πάω σε ένα κατάστημα. Μπορεί που δεν μου αρέσουν όλα. Λογικό είναι. Δεν τρέπεσαι καθόλου να πεις την γνώμη σου.
Όχι, δεν θέλω ότι δεν είναι ωραία.
Δεν σου άρεσε το συγκεκριμένο.
There, it's a wood.
Απλά τώρα για τραπέζι θέλουμε ειλικρινά κάτι που...
Oh, I'm in love with this straw pillow. Oh, very nice. Oh my god, I love them all. Oh, especially this. It's a gray one. Yeah, 14 cushion. It's $14.99. Oh, there's another one there. It's only €5. You are beautiful. $9.99. All for the wall. Guys, tapos na akong maglaba. Nakapaglaba na ako ng 2 loads. Then nakapagsampay na ako sa labas. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. I'm gonna show you kung saan ko siya. I'm gonna show you kung saan ko siya sinampay. So, ayun. Ayan guys. So, doon ako nagsampay. And then, so, ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin is maglilinis naman ako. Good morning! Dito na kami ngayon sa bago namin bahay. Kalilipat na namin yesterday. So, it was our first night last night. So, ayan. Nakapag-arrange na ako ng living room namin. So, na-arrange ko na siya. May nabili kaming display doon. Yun. Follow your dream. And then, meron kami wall clock there. And then, na-arrange ko na yung fireplace namin. And then, ayan. So, by the way guys, bago kami lumipat dito yesterday, unti-unti na namin transfer yung mga other things namin bago kami lumipat 2 weeks ago. Yeah. So, unti-unti. Then, namili na kami last week. Since last week, namili na rin kami unti-unti ng mga kailangan namin gamit. So, those things in our living room there, we just bought it. Yan, display namin dyan. And then, so finally, we're here na guys. Nakalipat na kami. So, ang gagawin ko na lang ngayon guys is magwawalis na lang ako, and then I'll do some dusting. Then maybe I'm gonna arrange some of our things in the kitchen na pinamili namin, yung mga kitchenware. So, I will show you guys. Hi guys! By the way guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung dining area namin na hindi pa namin na-arrange. So, ayun yung living room namin, and then this area is gonna be our dining area guys. So, this place is gonna be dining area. So, di pa namin na-arrange. Basura pa yun nandyan. Yan, meron kami pinili isang maliit na frame dito. Yan, I think yung gonna place it in the room. So, dyan ko muna siya nilagay. And then, meron kami ditong lamp na binili din namin para dito sa dining area namin. So, I think our dining area will be delivered hopefully next week. So, pwede para ma-arrange ko na yung dining table namin guys. So, by the way guys, tools natin na nasa likod ko. Ayan, if you're wondering kung binili namin yan, no, it's from the owner. So, hindi na nila tinanggal dahil I think napakabigat siguro, and ang laki kasi niya guys. Good thing, hindi na namin kailangan pumili kasi medyo malaki itong bahay. So, it's gonna be empty kung wala siyang istante dyan. So, ayan guys, nakapaglagay na ako ng mga binili namin yung wine glasses. There, ayan, yung mga wine glasses na dyan guys. And then, itong whiskey glasses. And then, ayan, may display kami sa taas. And then, ayan, may mga display na rin kami dun sa area na yun. And then here, eto mga binili na to sa Thailand. Doon nagpunta siya ng Thailand. Nagpunta kami ng Thailand, binili niya to. And then, ayun, ito naman, nung nagpunta siya sa Singapore, so binili niya to. So kaya nandito pa. Binili namin dito sa nilipatan namin bahay. Ayan. Ayan. Para Singapore yan guys. Na souvenirs. Then ito naman yung frame na ano to saan to? Sa Bangkok. Kung nagpunta kami sa floating market. So, ayan, pinicturean kami doon, and then after that, meron souvenirs na binigay sa amin na binayaran namin na I think only 100, Thai baht or 200 Thai baht. Yung kakabili namin dyan guys. So, ang ganda niya. So, andito pa siya guys. And then, naglagay ako ng mga, ayan, may binili akong mga decor dito, pero hindi ko pa siya na-arrange. So, i-arrange ko pa yan dyan guys. Unboxing of our dining table. Nice color. Yeah, it's dark. Our dining table is here already, and the chairs. So he's going to assemble it again. Let's see if how many hours he's going to do it. You're very expert already, baby. I think you will only assemble it for 2 hours. Yeah, because he already assembled our this TV table, and then the shoe the shoe, what do you call it? Yeah, that one for the shoes. Yeah, you also assemble that. Then what else did you assemble? Only two. Yeah, only these three tables. And then now it's going to assemble our dining table and the dining chairs. We have 4 dining chairs. Oh, you have to assemble also the leg. Oh, yeah, that's how there's a manual.
At least they have numbers.
At least they have numbers, so you know which one is number 1, 2, 3. I thought we only need to put the leg only. It's already assembled. We just finished with the table and now to do the chairs. Oh, we're removing it, baby. Huh? No!
Yes.
You don't need
Yes,
to.
screw.
Oh, there's a screw there?
And I cut this extra. Sorry.
Because I think it's a cover there. Oh, we have to. It's a cover. Maybe
Yes, but first must
in there. We have to be careful with this, baby, so we can put back the cover.
Yes, it's scratch.
Huh?
Scratch.
Okay. This? What's the matter? There's a
Don't-
cover
don't-
there. Oh, see, can put back. Oh, because there's a.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, he's going to assemble now the chairs. We're done with the dining table. We just finished after 3 hours. We started at 3 p.m. At 1? 1 hour only? No, it's not only 1 hour. 3 hours.
A few moments later.
Let's try. Salty or not?
So nice.
So nice.
But I like the lemon.
Huh? With lemon. Salty? Salty?
It's okay.
Huh?
Very nice.
Not salty?
Mm.
Or
It's very nice.
it's okay.
Very nice.
It's okay. It's
Congratulations one more time.
okay. Huh? So, it's okay. First
10 today, not 9. 10.
10 today, really 10. It's our first dinner. So, kain muna tayo. Let's eat.